friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this frozen pasty in the air fryer. So yep, it's called pasty, not pastry. So what it is, it's actually is a type of pastry that's originated in Britain. It's a pastry stuffed with meat. And I bought it in the frozen section of a supermarket. Those are really delicious, and air fryer is perfect for cooking them. So we're cooking this pasty straight from frozen, no need to defrost. I'm going to take it out of its packaging. So see, it's frozen solid. And let's take out the air fryer basket. So I'm going to cook it on both sides just so it browns evenly. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but if you don't flip it over, it's just going to be more brown on top than the bottom. So for best results, I'm going to first flip it upside down and cook it on this side first, and then halfway I will flip it and cook on the other side. So now I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip this pasty so it cooks more evenly. And now I'm going to put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this pasty, that looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now to make sure it's cooked through, I do recommend using the instant read thermometer. When you put it in, make sure the internal temperature is at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's over 160 degrees, so I know that it's cooked. Now if yours is somehow still not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer and cook it for another 5 minutes until it's done. So this pasty was pretty large, so that's why it took 25 minutes to cook. If you have a different brand that's smaller, you can cook it less. You can always cook it less and check the temp and make sure it's cooked and add more time if needed, because the time really depends on how large it is, because when it's so big and frozen inside, it does take a while for it to cook. But it's still quicker than the oven. Look how good it looks. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me cut it and show you the inside. Perfect. Look at that. Perfectly cooked hot filling and nice crispy and tender crust. Perfect. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so good. This crust is flaky, just tender, melts in your mouth. And the filling is so juicy and moist. This is so delicious, so satisfying. This pasty makes a perfect lunch or dinner, so convenient and so delicious. You will love cooking it in the air fryer. So if you see a pasty in a frozen food case, please buy it, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!